This is a handheld sample on the A6400 4K 24p Super 35 with the kit 18 to 135 lens. We are at the end of focal reach, 135 millimeters. And of course, the more I talk, the more movement we have, because we do not have in-body stabilization, and I am not lugging around a gimbal. But when you catch a hawk in the middle of the city, a historic one at that, it's one of those opportunities. So just a quick sample on day one with the Sony A6400. This will also give you an idea of what the audio is like from behind the camera, even though those microphones are front facing.